Hello, everyone. This is Dr. Wen. Do you know why the following two results are true? Can you derive them? Here, X, Y, Z, W are independent and identically distributed positive random variables. Let's derive the first result. We want to find the expectation of this. Now, by the IID property, we know that the four pieces are equal. The only difference you can see here, the numerator, x to the power 3, y to the power 3, z to the power 3, w to the power 3, because they have the same distribution and independent, identically distributed. So the four pieces are equal. Consider the sum of those four pieces. By linearity, we can put inside about together the numerator that's the same as the denominator. So this part is 1. The expectation of 1 is 1. Now the sum of those four pieces equal to 1, and they are sharing 1 equally, likely. So here, that's the result. So the result, the first piece should be 1/4. Let's prove the second inequality. Same assumption, X, Y, Z, W. They are IID. We want to prove this result. Because they are IID and by symmetry, we know that this first equal sign here, that's independent. Second equation, that's identically distributed. So all expectation of X, Y, Z, W are equal. Then put them together. That's E of X to the power 4. By adjacency inequality, we know this. Expectation of X then to the power 4 less than E of X to the power 4. In adjacency inequality, we need to know if this is a convex function. It is true in our case. So we can see that E of X times Y times Z times W equals E X then to the power 4 here. Then we have adjacency inequality less than this, right? So this is the result we want to prove here. That's the one. You can see left-hand side and the right-hand side less than or equal. We have done the proof. If you don't know the adjacency inequality, we also can do it. We can derive a simple version of adjacency inequality. So consider this. This is the variance formula. Variance equals the expectation of X squared minus the expectation of X then squared. Variance is always bigger than or equal to 0. Solve this inequality. We have this. Expectation of X then squared less than expectation of X squared. If we replace X squared by, if we replace X by X squared here, we have a different formula here. So here replace X by X squared, then here X by X squared, that's X squared then squared. That's X to the power 4, we have this. Now we can apply the two results in our case. So here we already derived this in previous page, right? So the only thing here we're not sure is this. So here to the power 4, we can consider to the power 2 first, then power 2. So inside powder, you can see that EX then to the power 2, EX then to the power 2 by the inequality. So here that's less than E of X squared. So inside powder, we can replace and less than or equal. Less than or equal. So here, we can use this formula. The result, again, here, put here, and this is less than E of X to the power 4, less than. So we prove the left-hand side less than or equal to right-hand side, right? This is also less than or equal. So we have done the proof. That's all. Thanks for watching. See you next time.